Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you two crypto tools for checking out the crypto world and your cryptocurrencies and crypto wealth. First one is CoinGecko and the second one is Uniswap. First we will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these two products and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better if we can compare them. So let's start with CoinGecko. Operating since 2014, CoinGecko is one of the go-to sites for live crypto prices listings. Alongside this, CoinGecko welcomes new crypto users to the community with educational material, yield gain calculations, and interactive giveaways. When first landing on CoinGecko, Bitcoin defaults as the top cryptocurrency with the largest market cap and network. However, there are thousands of coins out there to discover. Without the correct tools to refine your search, shifting through projects after project can be tiresome. That's why CoinGecko has categorized all the different characteristics of tokens to allow users to see wealth of different data points and information relating to crypto markets. So what is it? What is CoinGecko? Well, it's a website and a mobile app used to aggregate information regarding the performance of the majority of cryptocurrencies. Using real-time data feeds, CoinGecko displays price information, trading volume, and price fluctuation over periods from 1 hour to 1 week, to as far back as the available information will allow. Also, crypto assets are ranked by market capitalization, with the largest ranking highest. You can also, as I said, learn or educate yourself on CoinGecko, which is very nice. And you can use these candies to help you to do so. So we have today, as I started my account, and I collected first 10 candies. Second, I'll collect 20 more. On the third day, I'll collect 30 more. And for all of those, I can check the rewards and I can buy stuff or get discounts. The percent-wise or even like 10% off CoinGecko swags or $5 or $10. $5 of Leopold site and cold wallet and stuff like that. You can buy books, subscriptions, and all the stuff with CoinGecko coins or CoinGecko candies. Other than that, it's just ordinary cryptocurrency or crypto prices market cap. So if you want to check something like, for example, PooCoin, we can see that they dropped 2.7%. I believe it was last 1 hour. We can check the life cycle of PooCoin and then check the markets where you can buy it, and also the prices, the spread, depth, volume, the lows, and if it's last traded, or also website where you can buy it or track it out. So what about the Uniswap? Uniswap protocol is an open source protocol for providing liquidity and trading ERC20 tokens or Ethereum. It eliminates trusted intermediaries and unnecessary forms of rent extraction, allowing for free, safe, accessible, and efficient exchange activity. The protocol is non-upgradable and designed to be censorship resistant. The Uniswap protocol and Uniswap interface were developed by Uniswap Labs. So for this, I really like the whole ecosystem of your wallets, your tools, and stuff you can basically used on Uniswap. So how do you use it? To create the liquidity pool, provide liquidity, swap tokens, or vote on governance proposals, head over to Uniswap interface and connect a Web3 wallet. For example, Trust Wallet or any other one. Remember, each transaction on Ethereum costs Ethereal. For a more detailed walkthrough I strongly recommend you checking the help swap line. So you go from getting started, the swaps, provide liquidity, Uniswap on optimistic Ethereal, Uniswap Arbitrum, and frequently asked questions. Also, it's very nice way how to swap it. So you should go and check them out for basic cryptocurrency buying and selling. I would go with CoinGecko. And if you want to buy some probably NFTs, something like that, and you don't want to go through Binance because you're from US or UK maybe, you should go with maybe a Uniswap, but it's completely up to you. If you have more questions about these two, let us know in the comment section down below. If you like the video, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.